Hello everyone, this is Tuckamila here again, and today, notice anything different? Yep, I have shaved today. Yep, I shaved today. So yep, to be honest, I kind of like my mustache, but I shaved today, so yeah, I look a bit different. For a while, so anyways, yep, but that's not the topic of this video. Tonight, we're going to be reviewing on An All Dogs Christmas Carol. Came out in 1998. So, plot of this movie is, we got some couple of puppies. The beginning starts with a couple of puppies in heaven, and Annabelle was about to read them like a story. So yeah. And so yeah. Then, in the real world, we got Charlie, Itchy, Sasha celebrating Christmas and all that. So, yep. They were having a great time. All the dogs were having a great time. And all that. And until Carface came over and Carface and Killer came over and they made everyone take all their money to this sick, this injured, puppy, Timmy. I think that's his name, yeah, Timmy, right there. He was forced to get, so yeah, all the dogs were forced to collect all their, bones, which is, as money, so, yep. So, it's basically about how Carface is basically like a Christmas Carol. It's like an adaptation for a Christmas Carol. And then there's stuff going on, and that's basically what the plot is. Actually no, we're not done with the plot yet. And also, there's and got Belladonna, Annabelle's evil cousin, wants to take over San Francisco around the holidays, days and all that, and it's up to Charlie and Itchy to stop her, and that's, again, basically what the plot is. For real. So anyways, what do I think of An All Dogs Christmas Carol? It was actually pretty good. I do love the All Dogs Go to Heaven series. I'll do a review on the movie, on the first and second movie. This is kind of a third installment, but not really. It doesn't really count as a third installment, but this is basically the special to the TV series All Dogs Go to Heaven, the series. Which, that show was actually a good show. It was a great show. Which we all know sadly ended the same year as this came out, 1998, over 25 years ago. Man, I kind of do wish they bring that show back, or at least reruns of it. I do have the whole series on DVD. I'll probably cover the series for a review sometime. For a video. So, yep. So, yeah. The first All Dogs Go to Heaven is probably my favorite Don Bluth movie. But, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we got, yeah. I would watch this every year as well. And take note, this is not a theatrical release film. It's actually directed to video. So yeah, it was a direct-to-video movie. Some people might consider this a sequel, but it's not really a sequel. But yeah. Now let's talk about the story is great. All the songs were great, like When We Hear a Christmas Carol and Cream Up Your Act. Those are the only two songs I remembered. I know. And there's this other one with Killer and Belladonna. I forgot the name of that song was. But yeah. Probably my favorite song is When We Hear a Christmas Carol. That was a good song. Probably the best song out of this movie. And yeah, the animation is good. I mean, we heard A Christmas Carol like so many times, but is this the best adaptation of A Christmas Carol? No, it isn't. That will have to go to the Disney one, from the one with Jim Carrey, which I'll also probably cover that for a video sometime. But yeah. That came out in 2009. And he's back to this film, and yeah. I do like the scene where some of the dogs was about to sing When We Hear in the Christmas Carol, and they like told them to not now. And yeah, that was a pretty funny one scene. Yeah. And is there anything else I can say about this special? Well, actually, the rating. Here's my rating of this special. An 8 out of 10. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. There are zero flaws with this movie, from what I've seen. But yeah. So, An All Dogs Christmas Carol, great, like, sort of Christmas special to the TV series, I could say. Maybe some of you consider this a third film, but to me it's not really a third film. But yeah. So yeah, like I said, I'll cover All Dogs Go to Heaven 1 and All Dogs Go to Heaven 2 for a video. Probably sometime after Christmas. And I also covered the All Dogs Go to Heaven the series as well. That might be my first review on a TV show. Maybe. I just love the All Dogs Go to Heaven movies and TV series as well. But yeah. So yeah. So that, I do recommend this. But yeah. But anyways, that's it for my review on An All Dogs Christmas Carol. And stay tuned for my next review, which will be on Frosty the Snowman, Santa Claus Coming to Town, and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Like I said, you get not one, not two, but 3 reviews in one day. Coming tomorrow. So, this is Tucker Miller here, and stay tuned in my next video. Bye, guys!